Here's the BMW. We're doing the engine mounts today. So we're going to work on it and put new engine mounts in, and it ripped one of the transmission mounts too, so we're going to have to do that also. So we're going to be pulling it off with a couple extensions.
I think I need a better ratchet.
Oh, it's just a lot of it.
Feels sketchy. I have to get a magnet to get that one out. So now we're going to do the bottom bolts of the engine mount. Not too bad. And also not too bad. So now we've got our jack and a piece of wood for on the bottom of the engine to jack up the engine. Going down. Oh, dude, it probably was. Nope. And there's this weird bolt that was on there. See, there's a rip right here. I think the other side's the one that was worse. So here's side number 2. Pretty good. And this is the motor mount that was bad. And this piece right here is supposed to go into the other one and be welded together. So here's the new one. As you can see, it looks a lot better. And we do have a coolant leak. I don't know where from. We gotta get that sorted out. But this thing goes right here. Good. Now we're going on to the other side. Should go approximately right here. Like this. Right there. Alright, now I can slowly let it down. I'll let it down really slowly, or at least try to. Okay. Is it in already? It's perfect. Yeah. I think I'm going to. Still look okay? How's it look? Looking good to me. Okay. And now I've just got to tighten it down. I'm going to start with the bottom bolts and then do the top after.
So now we're tightening the top ones to their correct torque spec.
So I got the mounts in and all torqued down to the right torque specs. I think it was 22 for the 2 lower ones and 47 for the top one. See, looks pretty good.
Now that we got the front ones done, we can start on the rear ones.
So we're here in the back. As you can see, that's the front. There's the engine up there. Then there's where the transmission is. Back here is where the cross brace is. You can see that little nut in there is where we need to loosen it. And then the other one on the other side. And then once we get those loose, we can jack it up, pull the old ones out, and put the new ones in. So here we got the back ones. I'm getting ready to take off. All you need is a 13mm socket on a ratchet. Won't stop. It is really nice to have a ratcheting wrench for this one. Otherwise, you'd have to pull it off and put it back on a lot.
And the new ones.
So now we can jack it up. Keep going. Okay, hold it there. Oh, there you go. Oh, here's the two halves. They're aftermarket red ones. Probably did it. Come on. Alright, I'm just ripping this thing out. And I got it out, but it's ripped. That's what the new one looks like.
Which one? Where was the little...
Here. Yep. Okay, I need the other new one. The little notch for this one's right there. Okay, keep going. Alright, that's good. Those don't need to be tight, huh? Got them torqued down to 22, which is what they're supposed to be at. Let's see if there's any bolts in there. Yep.
Alright, so we got the back ones done. Also the front ones.
So you can see those are the old ones for the front. That one was completely ripped out.
One of them was ripped and one of them wasn't. So we swapped them. But I'm guessing that just ripped the other one because when the engine would move, this side would go up because that's which way the torque's going. So this side was ripped. And then I guess it ripped the other one too, probably.
But yeah, got them both done. And you just let it down and put more coolant in because we got a little bit of a leak there. And test drive it.